In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple accounts on Discord Mobile. If you use Discord for different communities, work, or school, having more than one account can make things cleaner and easier to manage. I'll walk you through switching between them on the same phone using the built-in options in the app. Start by opening the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to one of your accounts and that your app is up to date, since menu labels and placement can vary slightly between versions. Next, open your user settings. On mobile, you can do this by tapping your profile icon in the bottom bar of the app. That opens the user settings screen where you'll find all the app and account controls. If you don't see it right away, give the app a second to load, then try again. From there, scroll all the way down through the settings list until you find the log out option. It's typically near the bottom of the menu. Logging out won't delete your servers, messages, or friends. It simply signs you out of the current account on this device. Keep in mind that you'll stop receiving notifications for that account while you're signed out, so plan accordingly if you're expecting important alerts. Tap log out and confirm if the app asks you to. You'll be taken back to the sign-in screen. Here's where you can choose your other account. If you've signed in on this device before, you may see a list of previously used accounts. Just tap the one you want to use. If you don't see it listed, tap to sign in and enter the email or username and password for your other account. If you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready so you can complete the login without delays. As soon as you sign in, the app will load your servers, DMs, and settings for that account. That's all there is to it. To switch back later, repeat the same process. Open user settings, scroll down to log out, and then select or sign into the account you want. Keeping your other accounts saved on the sign-in screen makes the swap much faster the next time around. If you ever run into trouble finding log out, double check that you're in user settings and scroll to the very bottom. On some devices, it might be labeled sign out. Now you can jump between accounts on Discord Mobile whenever you need to without juggling multiple devices or reinstalling the app. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more organized Discord experience.